So, hello and welcome to a new challenge. This time Excel BI's Excel Challenge 533. The top two salaries of all departments should be there as an output. So, let's open the case. Here we are. So, find out the top two salaries for all departments. So, let's build our function, do a let function, leave for departments, N for name, and S for salary. I want to have the unique departments. So unique of D will give me the departments. It's sorted in the answer, so I will also sort it immediately. And now we use this unique function in our map function, LAMBDA. And we will now filter the name and the salary stacked if the department is like A, so here like our unique department. Then we want to have this, and then we want to, so let's put here a let function in. This is F. And now we want to filter F, so our stacked theme out of name and salary for every department. If take from or drop, so we drop the first column of our then stacked thing, is larger. I make this as a separate argument, so drop from F1 is a separate argument. If D is larger than large of unique, the 3, so large or equal, close everything, and then we have here our filter where we filter the whole thing out, and then we need to drop the last, so like column, the last column, and then we want to TEXTJOIN it. Now there should be, so okay, we have an error for Lauren in admin because of course there is only one in admin, so we need here if error. Where's this error? I think here. If error, let's take it 0. Yeah, fixed, and then we stack this with unique, and we have the solution. So what did we do here? First, the unique and sorted the unique department and sorted it, and then we used our map function where we mapped in the unique departments, filtered the concatenation of name and salary. Filtered the concatenation of name and salary after the unique department. So for every department we do this. Then we dropped the name. And then we looked after where so that we have only the salary. And then we looked after where the salary is larger than the third largest unique salary. And also error correction for when there's only one person in the department. And yeah, then we joined the names together, stacked it with the unique departments, and we are ready to go. The formula is longer than I thought it would be, but let's take a look at the LinkedIn solutions. Here, so also Chris did a similar function, similar length. This is shorter, I don't know. Can see if it's right. Peter, also cool function. Map u array to text if basically the same, but a little bit more shorter written. So never mind. Thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the next one.